Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kat, and I'm a Gobe brand manager. Today, I wanted to talk about the best damage repair brand in Watsons and talk about its core range. The brand that I'm talking about, it's none other than Hair Treats. Past couple of years, we've all known and loved Hair Treats as the brand destination for products that effectively treats damaged hair. Whenever a customer is looking for products that's perfect na solution para sa mga dry, damaged hair, we instantly recommend the Hair Treats Hair Spa because tried and tested effective na, affordable pa. Our best-selling hair spa comes in two sizes. Our top-selling 650-gram tubs available for 250 pesos. Permanent buy one take one. So for 250 pesos, you'll be able to get 1,300 grams already. Sobrang sulit. Tayo ang pinakamura price per mil for all of the hair treatments in Watsons. We can also offer the mini version. Ito naman yung ating 250-gram mini tubs. So this one is available for only 90 pesos. O diba? Sobrang mura. We actually relaunched the packaging of the Hair Treats Hair Spa. This is the old packaging. As you can see, to open this, you twist the cap and the product is inside. It now comes in a packaging wherein all you need to do is flip it and the product is there. This makes it easier and more hygienic also in terms of storing your favorite hair spas in your bathroom. We retain the best damage repairing formulation na tried and tested na ng ating mga customers. We improved and made the scent now even more fragrant and long-lasting. Okay, hair trivia time muna tayo. I just wanted to get to know, ilan ba sa inyo ang nakakaalam ng pinagkaiba ng hair treatment at ng conditioner? Or meron ba silang pinagkaiba? Baka naman same lang sila. Okay, letter A. Conditioner and treatment are almost the same. Treatment has an intense formulation. Or B. Treatment is like conditioner, but you only use it 1 to 2 times per week. C. Both statements are correct. And D. None of the above. Please type in your answers in the chat box. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is letter C. Both statements are actually correct. Firstly, our hair strands are made out of layers. These layers have to be flat in order for our hair to be shiny. Yung shine kasi ng buhok natin, contrary to what people know, it happens kasi tumatama yung light sa buhok natin. It's either through the light coming from the rooms or also the sun rays. So, kaya nagiging shiny. So, kapag hindi flat yung hair strands, your hair will not be shiny. This is where the use of conditioner comes in. A conditioner goes around your hair layers, protecting it from damages from, say, mga heat tools such as blow drying, hair stylers such as hair straightener, and also extreme weather conditions. Now, on the other hand, if your hair naman is damaged, say for example, na-damage siya from hair coloring, or if nagpa-treatment ka, say nagpa-rebond, nagpakulot, nag-color ng buhok, nag-bleach, then this time what you need is an intense hair treatment. A hair treatment goes inside your hair, rebuilding and restoring the moisture and proteins na nawala when you did those chemical processes. When you apply a hair treatment, you don't need to apply it every single day. Kasi ang hair treatment, it stays in our hair for around 4 to 5 washes before you actually need to reapply again. A conditioner, on the other hand, nawawala siya every time you wash your hair. Kaya naman ang hair treats, particularly our hair spa treatments, ay perfect for those people na naghahanap ng hair care solution for their damaged hair. Our hair treats hair spa comes in 9 variants. We have double active keratin, keratin with vitamin E, aloe vera, cocoa milk, lavender micellar, virgin cocoa water, argan and moringa, milk collagen, and of course, gugo and peppermint. Remember, lahat ng variants na ito ay perfect gamitin for damage repair. Starting with our number 1 SKU, the double active keratin. Do you guys remember this old packaging? This is now revamped into the new packaging, but this is still our number 1 SKU, and it has been for years. Keratin in general is really good for the hair. And for hair treats, what we have is double active keratin. Keratin helps bond layers of your hair, restoring the moisture and repairing the hair damage. It's our number 1 SKU, it still is, and let's retain it at number 1 spot. Next variant we're gonna be talking about, keratin pa din with vitamin E. This is our top 2 variant. Kitang-kita naman, Pinoys talaga love the keratin ingredient na. This one is better because it has vitamin E. Vitamin E supports a healthy scalp. With a healthy scalp, our hair will be able to grow much faster. Next, we have aloe vera. We all know naman sobrang daming benefits ng aloe vera sa buhok. Aloe vera strengthens the hair, promoting the hair growth. At kapag stronger ang hair, less din ang hair fall. Okay, now let's talk about the new variants that Hair Treats just introduced during the relaunch, the argan and moringa. We combined 2 ingredients for this variant, that's argan and moringa. We created a powerful variant that's gonna be perfect for those people na actually mas sensitive yung scalp. So for those who have dandruff, this is the perfect variant for you. This variant we're gonna be talking about is my favorite one, which is milk collagen. We all know naman collagen. It's really effective in fighting hair follicle damage, which causes the thinning of the hair. Milk, which is combined with it, works to strengthen our hair strands. And last but not the least, we have gugo and peppermint. Gugo alone has so many hair benefits. It promotes hair growth, it softens the hair strands, it prevents hair fall and breakage, treats dandruff and itchy scalp, improves shine, and even has anti-inflammatory properties. Combined with another powerful ingredient, peppermint, this variant will definitely help improve hair growth and prevent hair loss. Try the new Hair Treats hair spa treatments. Sure nang effective na, non-stop bango pa. Hair Treats also offers what we call styling treats. Currently in stores, we have hair coat and also hair shines. Hair coat, from the name itself, it coats the cuticle, protecting the hair from damage. It's available in 4 variants. Buy one, take one. We have virgin coconut oil, which is what I have right now, macadamia, royal jelly, and ginseng. Hair shines, on the other hand, from the name itself also, is a product that we apply to the hair if we want it to be shiny. You can both use this at the same time. This is something you use before you style your hair to protect your hair from damage. And this is something you can use after you style your hair to make it extra shiny. Last but not the least, to complete our styling treats, we have the Hair Treats Hairspray and the Curl Mousse. Our hairspray with the promise of stronghold is available offline and online for only 180 pesos. And our curl defining hair mousse for 260 pesos. And that's it for Hair Treats. So many good products we can offer to the customers. Damage repair hair spa plus styling treats. Hair Treats is a brand that offers budget salon alternative that we can all enjoy at the comfort of our home. And that's it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
New and improved Hair Treats, made with natural ingredients. Para stop ang hair stress, non-stop ang bango. Hair Treats. Only at Watson's.